Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
The next category is Law Firm of the Year.
Sponsored by CDDI.
Well done.
The Corporate Due Diligence Investigations. Yeah, big round of applause for the CDDI team. And
on the short list,
we have which is a lot of law firms.
DSJP, Dentons, Evershed, Shuttleland, Wierzbowski, Kochański & Partners, Mrowiec, Fiałek & Partners, Rymasz, Zord, Penteris, Smolarek, Rogala, Caban, SSW Pragmatic Solutions, and White & Case.
And we have a few words from our sponsor, Preston Smith, CDDI.
Preston, welcome, and thank you for sponsoring this award.
Hello, this is Preston Smith from Corporate Due Diligence and Investigation, CDDI. We handle pre-transaction checks, litigation support, surveillance, all of your needs, not only in Poland but through Central Europe. I'm really happy to say that this year of COVID has actually been good to us. We're doing a lot of work for banks and for some of the Polish law firms. But if you get tired of the insanity and you can't get to the gym and you just want to take your mind off it, check out my YouTube site, GOG Boxing. One gym rat to another, we give all kinds of advice and have some fun with some workouts. Anyway, good to see you and good luck for the rest of the year.
Hey, he's advertising something. Shouldn't we be charging him double for that? His gym business as well? Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Preston.
Thank you.
We know you've got some good lawyers behind you, so we won't press it for more money for that gym. But that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. Okay. And the winner is Is that what we're reading on me now? The winner of the Law Firm of the Year,
Dentons.
What a shock!
Congratulations.
Yes. Yeah, Dentons, congratulations. A big round of applause. I know we've got our tech guys working on the applause
and
there.
From Dentons, we have Bartek Kodecka.
Bartek, welcome. Congratulations.
Hello all. Good evening to everyone. On behalf of over 60 real estate lawyers here in Dentons, who did more than half of the transaction volume last year and till today, in 2020, nearly 40 deals. A big thank you for this award.
Wow, so it's been a busy year.
It is.
Yeah.
It is, and let's keep that dynamics.
Exactly. Are you keeping Paweł Dębowski busy over there?
Oh, we are.
Yeah, good. Okay, we don't want him to have too much time off. Okay, great. Well, congratulations. Please tell the team hello, and congratulations on winning.
Thank you.
Thank you for participating and joining for us.